The Xbox error code 0x8b050033 typically occurs when there is an issue with Xbox Live services or the connection to Xbox Live. This can happen due to server-side problems, a network connectivity issue, or some other configuration problem on your device. Here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. 1. Check Xbox Live service status. The error could be caused by an outage or issue with Xbox Live services. It's a good idea to check if Xbox Live is experiencing any problems or undergoing maintenance. You can check the Xbox Live status by visiting the official Xbox status page. 2. Restart your console. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many issues. Press and hold the Xbox button on the front of your console for 10 seconds to turn it off. Unplug the power cable for a minute. Plug it back in and turn the console back on. 3. Check your network connection. Ensure your internet connection is working properly. You can test this by browsing the web or using other online services. If you're on Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable connection. Restart your router or modem to refresh your connection. 4. Disable any VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, it could interfere with Xbox Live's connectivity. Disable any VPN or proxy and try again. 5. Contact Xbox support. If you've tried the steps above and the error persists, you may need to contact Xbox support for further assistance. They can provide more detailed troubleshooting or inform you if there's an ongoing issue on their side. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the 0x8b050033 error on your Xbox. Let me know if you need any further help.